Welcome to the first episode of Hungover and Hungry. We're bringing you some recipes to soak up all last night's regrets. Today, we're starting with beer brats. Put your pants on. Alright, we're gonna put some tin foil in the pan. Now we're gonna bring this over to the grill. Our grill's already at like 450. Need beer, it's a beer brat. Let that heat up on there and we'll get our bacon going. Now I'm not gonna use the full slab because I only bought like 6 of them. We're gonna cut this right in half. And I know everybody at home is gonna sit there and go, why are you cutting it in half? But that's what I'm fucking doing. Oh, I know. Should've used the cutting board. Beer's kind of boiling, but we're gonna throw it in there. Bacon, I'm cooking up like a motherfucker. Damn, that bacon looks fucking good. A little thermochest. Gonna help us out today. Grab our brats out of here. We got a little Smithfield action. So we're gonna head over to the grill here. Now, why you boil them in the beer is because if you put them out, they're just gonna get dry. And especially if you have them wrapped in bacon, you're just gonna get engulfed in flames and it's just gonna be a fucking shit show. We got 3 people here. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna toss them in. All right, next up, now that the brats are in the beer, we're gonna make our honey mustard. Honey, can't have honey mustard without honey. This is a recipe from one of our good boys, Dano's Seasoning. All right, we're gonna go equal parts. Put some honey in there. All right, next part, mustard. All right, and we'll go fucking topless. Take your top off. I like a little bit more honey in there than mustard. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this spicy. Dano's Seasoning, this thing works magic right here, all right? So we're gonna pop a little bit in there. Can't overdo it with this, so just give this a stir. So once this last batch of bacon's cooked up, we're gonna chop it up, put it off to the side. Brats should be good. Give them a little charski and garnish them fuckers. I just keep getting a big whiff of dog shit from the yard. We're gonna chop up this bacon. And like I said, usually people wrap the beer brat. We're not doing that. We're gonna use it as a little garnish. All right, bacon's all done here. Put it on here. Brats still got a little bit longer. So we're gonna chop this bacon up because we're gonna use it as a garnish. We're gonna grab a new knife. Now you can do a thin, thick chunk. That's what I'm going for. It's just bigger chunks. Scoop that up on a plate. Bacon bits ready to go. You like that action? Brats have been sitting in the beer here steaming for probably a good, what, 20 minutes? So now we're gonna char them up, throw them on the grill. It's already cooked inside, so you just wanna give it a little char. Sorry I got these baby ass tongs. I don't know where the other ones went, but brats are just finishing up. We're gonna get a couple buns toasting. It doesn't really matter, but if you really wanna step your game up, get Hawaiian. All right, when you're toasting a bun.
Redo it.
When you're toasting a bun.
Redo it. I'm just fucking around.
I'm gonna throw this fucking bun at you. When you're toasting the bun, put it on the top rack. Bun's looking good. Best buns I've seen all summer. I'll lay those out. This one's looking solid. This one's looking solid. All right, now that my wieners are done, we're gonna garnish them with the honey mustard and bacon that's been chilling for a little bit here. So first, got your wieners, we're gonna grab the honey mustard. Now you don't need too much of this. It's good, but I put a lot of seasoning in there, but you can't go wrong. So bang. All right, now the bacon bits right here. Still crunchy, a little bit more. Now you can't overdo it with the bacon. Just like that. We're fucking good to go. All right, we're gonna dig in here. Look at that fucking mustard just popping out. I needed this. The honey mustard is what's making this. It's just got the perfect amount of sweet. You rarely get sweet on a beer brat because it's usually regular mustard. Put that homemade honey mustard on there, you're good to go. Oh, you know, episode of Hungover Hungry. See you next time, we're gonna be picking up all sorts of shit.